Watch as batches of slices dive into the fryer, transforming from soft to crunchy in seconds.
You might have eaten all the banana chips, so let's start the process from scratch, where these expert farmers are taking immense care of banana trees. He is removing the dried flowering part to improve air circulation and sunlight penetration. You might be thinking, why bag this? This blue bagging around reduces the need for chemical pesticides,
promoting a more organic approach to pest management and controls consistent temperature and humidity levels.
When the desired thickness for green bananas is achieved, they start separating the banana fingers bunch using sharp knives. They use this DIY transporting wire system to conveniently carry and transport the entire harvested bananas all at once.
And safely towards the main units. This way they protect the bananas from all potential damages, including bruises.
Bananas grow best in warm temperatures, and India is the largest producer of bananas. It produces around 30 million tons.
For this purpose, they set a delicate yet required amount of water pressure to clean the bananas without damaging them.
Let's take a quality test first. These approved bananas have arrived for thorough cleaning.
Neatly cutting those banana hands by using sharp knives. This process is mainly done manually with great precision.
This step slows down the ripening process and helps in maintaining firmness.
Only the bananas that meet the strict criteria for size, shape, and firmness are selected for chip production. These hard workers inspect, choose, and collect the approved bananas in bins.
To prepare them and transport for further processing, they need to only select the right-sized and green bananas.
Because they are going to transport them, and fruits like these will not go ruined on a long trip.
Here comes slapping those bananas with love. Not really, with company labels. So that disinfectant spray is a must.
Sit back and wait a moment, because the journey has just begun. You're going to witness the real chip production ahead.
This is no mediocre banana production factory. They need to handle and transport thousands.
In addition to producing banana chips, the factory also exports fresh bananas using the same rigorous selection process.
We arrive at the factory to make banana chips, and the process starts with receiving crates of fresh green bananas.
Fresh green bananas are preferred because they are firmer and less sweet than ripe ones, making them ideal for slicing and frying.
This is the banana slicer that transforms raw bananas into uniform slices of consistent thickness. Watch as batches of slices dive into the fryer, transforming from soft to crunchy in seconds.
Here the frying begins, and this super satisfying industrial fryer is going to produce the crispy golden brown chips.
This machine features a conveyor belt system that carries the fried banana chips out of the fryer to ensure even frying.
As soon as they emerge, they're drained and cooled slightly.
The hot oil at precisely 180 degrees Celsius crisps them to perfection.
The aroma of frying bananas fills the air, irresistible even from here.
Emerging golden and perfect, each chip ready for the next magical step.
As soon as they add the finishing touch to the banana chips by applying flavorings or several seasonings,
Salt, spices, or even chili. Whatever makes your taste buds dance. The tumbler rotates evenly, coating every chip with flavor precision.
now they're sent for final packaging. Banana chips provide a tasty and convenient snack.
That's rich in potassium and dietary fiber, perfect for on-the-go munching.
Freshly fried chips glide through, locking in that crisp without sogginess.
But wait, there's more to this satisfying journey. Let's zoom in to the cooling tunnels.
Here's the de-oiling spinner, whirling away excess oil for healthier bites. Multi-lane packers synchronize, filling hundreds of bags per minute.
Eating bananas may help improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression.
Watch as pouches are filled, sealed, and labeled at lightning speed. Advanced tech monitors temperature, ensuring perfection in every batch. Quality checks ensure every bag bursts with freshness and crunch.
From farm to factory, millions of bananas turned into your favorite snack. Seals snap shut, preserving flavor from factory to your crunch. Labeling lasers etch dates and brands, traceable from tree to treat.
Robotic arms lift pallets with grace, no drop ever.
Warehouses hum as trucks load up. Millions of packs en route to stores. These mega factories process tons daily, feeding the world one chip at a time. This is the heartbeat of modern banana chip mega factories. Sustainable practices shine. Water
Back at the farm, the cycle renews. New bunches budding under careful watch.
Every chip tells a story of innovation, from field precision to fry perfection.
We've journeyed together through this mega process. Hope it satisfied your curiosity.
If this banana chips adventure made you hungry for more factory wonders, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite flavor below.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep crunching.